Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, I had a great night last night. I slept very well, no troubles, no one knew I was there, so that was fabulous. I wasn't able to get out and take a video of where I was staying because I didn't want people to see me do that in case I go back there again. So I just took photos. But I have bad news. Bad news. My entire video, the one I edited just to put up, yeah, gone. Gone. It won't reload in my app that I'm using to edit. I have all the photos, I just have to do all the work again, which is completely annoying. Whatever. What can I do? It is what it is. Anyways, I don't know what I got going today, except I'm gonna go rock hunting once again, and I will keep you guys posted on my doings today while I'm on the road, both van camping and rock hunting. But as you know, there'll be two different playlists for those pleasures of mine. So if you're just interested in van camping, there'll be the van camping videos. If you're just interested in rock hunting, there'll be the rock hunting videos. But if you're interested in all of it, watch them all. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. That would be fabulous. I would love that. Join my wagon train and hit the bell, because then you get notified, if you hit all notifications, that I've posted a video. Alright, I will catch up with you guys later. Just checking in. Alright, until next time.